Wow! Big stuffed toy. Si Stitch! Capybara ba yan, Marcy?
Oo, kapibara.
Capybara. Balutan time. Ganda ng Stitch nung laki. Pang-una na te. Tutuwa nito si Maha. Tapos ito naman kay Angela. Stitch, Stitch. Cute, cute.
Magkano yung isa ko?
600.
600 bawat isa?
Oo.
Ginagawag ko kayan.
Wanto na hiram.
Winning among himihigda naman natin as gawas. Tinisikyo na kami. Nakatakot lang kasi baka biglang pumasok pag Sige na, magbalot ka na. I-stand ko lang to para Nak, ilabas mo na si Stitch. Pakilabas si Stitch. Sa box. Kapag mo na yun si Stitch.
Not even that. Not even gonna fit, Mama.
It will fit. Huwag mo pa.
Let's stay inside this box. And this box be my sweatshirt. I'm gonna make it into a sweatshirt.
Yun na. Laruin mo na yan.
I'm gonna make it into a sweatshirt.
May cellphone dyan.
I need paint. So I need paint.
Huwag ka na mag-paint. Pinanggamit namin yan. Tapos ipipaint mo.
Now I'm gonna make it into a sweatshirt. No need to paint.
What for paint? Just like, just think na lang your shape is color brown. Kasha yan. Stitch. Stitch under it.
Stitches doesn't want to.
Pag matumbay Stitch. Kailangan magkasya si Stitch dito.
Kasha yan.
Kasya yan. Ayan na nga, oh. Pumasok na si Stitch sa loob. Ayun. Nasa loob na si Stitch. Sa loob siya.
This can only go to the
Silang lahat? Family? Ano, makapag-travel ba si Ken nang mag-isa lang siya? Bata pa si Ken? Siyempre, go with a family. Ha? Mami niya, daddy niya, ate niya.
How about Lola?
Naiiwan lang daw.
Okay.
Kasi hindi nakakuha ng ticket kasi nung nagpabook sila ng ticket. Si Lula nila nandun sa Leyte. That's how he's getting that.
Where's can I have this bad paper? Bad paper. Can I have that bad paper?
Okay na. Ayan, nag-gift wrap na po natin ang regalo ng aking Marcy sa kanyang 2 daughters. Ito po si Lilo and Stitch. Ito naman si, ano pa yun? Capybara?
Capybara.
Yeah, capybara. Yan yung gift niya sa kanyang dalawang anak na babae. So, ang style niya dyan is, dito niya sa bahay ni Rap. Tapos, pagdating ng Christmas, sa 25th of December, Christmas Day, ay ipapa-deliver niya yan through Lala Move at ipapa-receive niya sa kanyang mga anak doon sa kanilang bahay para ma-surprise yung dalawa. Kasi pag iuwi niya po yan sa kanila, so makikita na ng dalawa, so hindi na masu-surprise. Kaya ang nangyari, dito niya muna nilagay sa bahay, dito niya binalot, at ipapa-deliver sa kanila pagdating ng 25th day sa Christmas Day at i-receive ng dalawang bata. O diba, it's a mother's surprise. Diba, mother's love. We open.
Merry Christmas. That's your gift. Wait lang. Hint muna. What's your hint for your gift, ate?
Pillow.
Pillow? Ikaw, Angela. What kind of pillow?
I know yet, but like the same, almost like the same as my other.
Oh, sige, you open now.
I check out the letters. Another stitch. Lucky one. It has glitter. Thank you, Nai. Capybara. Thank you. Capybara. Mine colored than yours. Haha. At least.
Are you happy?
Capybara. I have blue.
So that is a pillow? Is that a pillow?
I told you it's a pillow.
It's half pillow. It's a plushy and pillow.
I told you it's plushy, of course.
O, picture na kayo.
Okay.
Kita mo yung face, be. Face emoji lang. One, two, three, smile.
So,